Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in cybersecurity with Cyberbit detailed guide step by step clearly. To invest in cybersecurity with Cyberbit, start by researching the company and its offerings. Understand the importance of cybersecurity in today's digital landscape. Identify the key products and services Cyberbit provides, such as incident response and training solutions. Visit the Cyberbit website to explore their solutions in detail. Review their case studies to understand how their technology has been applied successfully. Check for any press releases or news articles about recent developments at Cyberbit. Create a list of potential investment opportunities within the cybersecurity sector, focusing on companies that complement or collaborate with Cyberbit. Register for an account on a reputable investment platform that offers access to cybersecurity stocks. Conduct a fundamental analysis of Cyberbit's financial performance, including revenue growth and profit margins. Look for recent market trends and forecasts related to the cybersecurity industry. Consider joining forums or online communities focused on cybersecurity investments to gain insights and share knowledge. Evaluate different investment strategies, such as long-term holding versus short-term trading. Consult with a financial advisor who specializes in technology investments. Monitor the stock price of Cyberbit and stay informed on any external factors influencing it. Diversify your portfolio by investing in multiple companies within the cybersecurity sector. Stay updated on regulatory changes that could impact the cybersecurity landscape. Track your investments regularly and adjust your strategy as needed based on performance and market conditions. Continue to educate yourself about emerging technologies and trends in cybersecurity. Attend webinars or conferences related to cybersecurity to expand your understanding of the field. This knowledge will help you make informed decisions about your investments in Cyberbit and the broader cybersecurity market. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.